February 25th, 2025. Something in the ocean just snapped. Off the coast of Penghu Island, Taiwanese authorities intercept a cargo ship crewed by Chinese nationals. Their suspicion? This vessel has just cut an undersea cable, a strand no thicker than a garden hose, quietly running along the ocean floor. It carried a piece of Taiwan's connection to the rest of the world. This wasn't an isolated event. It's part of a growing pattern. More than 95% of the world's international data, emails, financial transfers, even military communications travels through cables like this one. Not satellites, not the cloud in the sky most people imagine. Roughly 600 fiber optic cables spanning over 1 million kilometers lie across the sea floor, carrying trillions of dollars in transactions every single day. And they are almost defenseless. Most of these cables sit unburied and unguarded in international waters. The main legal protections date back to 1884, an era of telegraph wires, not global finance. In 2023 and 2024, cables were damaged in the Taiwan Strait and the Baltic Sea, some by vessels investigators linked to Russia and China. Officials call these acts suspected sabotage. Proving intent, however, remains difficult. A dragged anchor can look identical to an act of war. For the United States, the stakes are enormous. Just off American shores, cables come ashore at a handful of landing stations, choke points where a single act of sabotage could ripple across the entire economy. So Washington moved. In August 2025, the Federal Communications Commission adopted its first major overhaul of submarine cable rules in 25 years, restricting foreign adversary access to new cable projects landing on U.S. soil. The U.S. Navy, meanwhile, has shifted from quiet oversight to active deterrence, increasing surveillance near vulnerable seabed corridors in the Pacific. But protection has limits. In November 2025, members of Congress admitted publicly that the United States still lacks the coordination and defenses needed to respond quickly to a deliberate attack. Even under the best conditions, repairing a damaged cable takes 10 to 20 days. Some recent repairs in remote or contested waters have taken months. The internet feels invisible, instant, indestructible. But its foundation is a handful of thin cables lying exposed on the ocean floor, watched, contested, and never fully secure. The next front line of security isn't in space, it's underwater.